Hello guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video we are going to solve question number 6 from ISC Specimen Question Paper 2023 in the new rule. This is the dissolution sum, and there has been some changes in the rules for dissolution, especially for assets which does not have any realized value, or the question is silent about the value of assets realized. So this is the sum that we had solved previously, question number 6, using the old rule which was applicable for the year 2023, but for 2024 and beyond the rule has changed. So let's have a look at the rule first. What's the rule as per the council? This is the revised syllabus, ISC revised syllabus for 2024, and if you see here, if the question is silent about the realized value of tangible assets and investments, it should be considered as realized at book value itself, right? Previously, the rule said that it should be considered as realized nil. The value is considered to be zero. That was the old rule. So as per the new rule, we will now use that the realized value is the book value. For liability, the rule remains the same, that if the question is silent about the payment of a liability, then it has to be paid in full. For intangible assets and accrued income and prepaid expenses, the value is still considered as nil if nothing is mentioned. All right. So let's get back to the question and resolve, make the necessary changes as per the new rule. The transfer of the assets remain the same, and there no changes here. Creditors IFR remains the same. Property realized 75%, that remains the same. Bad debts and discount amounted to 500 for debtors, that remains the same as well. Stock realized, the value remains the same. Creditors allowed a discount of 2%, no change in there. The dissolution expenses, that also remains the same. So the changes that we have to bring in are here in the realization of furniture and investment. Both we will consider to be realized at book value. So let's add them here. Furniture 50, investments 1100. Let's quickly do the calculation and see what changes do we get. Okay, so we are getting the new realized value as 9375. So if we add up all the amounts on the debit side, we get, and on the credit side, we get 14,675. So now the loss amount has reduced. So let us recalculate the loss that we have. So the loss amount will be the total minus this minus 300 minus 9375, and if you distribute them in the PSR 9:7, the share of loss changes to 253 and 197. The total loss reduces to 450. So this is the sum as per the new rule, and remember, investments and any other assets, nothing is mentioned, then they are realized at book value for tangible assets. Hope this was helpful, make things easy for you. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. We'll help you out. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video is shared. Thanks for watching. Do share with your friends so that they can also understand and do the same things in the exam and get the maximum marks.